Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back on this channel just like we always do. And guys, on today's video we are live in Nawfia town in Jikoka local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. And on today's video we are going to show you yet another road construction that the Anambra State government, talking about the Soludo'S administration, is doing in this very wonderful town called Nawfia. So guys, we are going to go from here. Like, this areas is the Enugu-Onitsha expressway areas, and this whole place looks more like an industrial layout in Nawfia. Yes, we'll come back to that area so that you would actually see what I'm talking about. So if you look over here, you will notice that this side of the road has totally been asphalted. Yes, we are going to drive all the way from here to the Enugu-Onitsha expressway, and then we are going to break this video and we'll come towards the old road, that's the old Enugu-Onitsha expressway. Yes, so we are this particular road links both expressway together, that's in between Nawfia. So guys, this is one of the projects that the Anambra State government has actually undertaken in Anambra State at the moment. I've actually talked about this stuff in some other videos we did not long ago. That's those of Oga, Obizi, and then Bologu Oga Road. You know, talking about the construction of roads in our hinterlands. Even though Nawfia is not a town that is really an outskirts town, but this particular road is a remote road linking Nawfia to the expressway, that is both the old expressway and the new expressway. Yes, so we are going to go on this road and I'm going to show you the progress that we have recorded on this road. Yes, even though this construction is not yet completed, there are some places, like talking about this asphalt right now, it stopped at a particular spot, and then stone base also stopped at a particular spot before we get to the expressway. And also the contractors that are in charge of this construction is the NICC, that is the New Idea Construction Company. Yes, these are the contractors that are in charge of this particular project in Nawfia. So if you notice around this area, you notice that the asphalt just stopped, and right here is where they have done stone base and it is already ready for asphalting. Even as we progress, you also see where the stone base also stopped, and you also see where they are yet to do stone base. So it's a very straightforward road from the old road, that's the old Enugu-Onitsha expressway, up till the new Enugu-Onitsha expressway. And you know, most times when we do such videos and talk about what the Anambra State government is doing, talking about the Soludo'S administration, a lot of people tend to misunderstand what we are doing, and sometimes they would say we are just making noise, or we are just, you know, overpraising this administration. But it's nothing like that, to be frank with you. It's not about making noise. It's not about overpraising. It's about showing you evidence of what is happening and also talking about what is happening. If we just come to this space and then start talking without showing you guys evidence of what is really happening, then you can call that noise making. You can call that empty praise or anything you can think of. But whenever we come and see that the state government is working, we bring you evidence of this work, and you are seeing it as it is. This is what Anambra State government is doing in Anambra State, and this is what it is doing. Like, we are showing you what it is doing and also talking about it at the same time. So why should someone come on this space and say that we are making empty noise? No, please, it doesn't worth it. If we really are making empty noise, then we wouldn't be showing you evidence of these projects that are going on in Anambra State. Just like I always tell you guys before, Anambra State is a construction site, and there is no doubt about it. There is no part of Anambra State that one project or the other is not going on. I always say this, and while I'm saying it, I will keep bringing evidence to support what I'm saying, so it doesn't look like empty noise. So this is one of those projects that the Anambra State government is doing in the hinterlands of Anambra State, connecting virtually every town, every community, every village with a good road. And this is a very, very remarkable process, and it is a very commendable one. I really appreciate the Anambra State government for what it is doing in Anambra State at the moment, talking about the Soludo'S administration in Anambra State. And I hope you can call it empty noise, because we are showing you evidence of what this administration is actually doing in Anambra State as of today. So this is also Nawfia, and these areas you are seeing now looks more like an industrial layout, because most of the things you see around here is terminal bonds or bond terminals. That is where they offload containers and do all sorts of manner of businesses. So this area as a whole, what you see majorly on this particular side is companies, industries. And this is a very good thing, because this is what will actually bring development to this area. So just in case you need where you because why I'm saying this is because this particular area is going to actually be a very hot cake very soon, like soonest. So if you need land, you can also come around these locations and buy lands, because in the nearest future, these areas are going to be one of the hottest locations we are going to have in Anambra State. So this is the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway where we are right now. As you can just see, we just passed there. So we are going to go up from here now up till the old Enugu-Onitsha Express. That's the old road. Yes, we are going to drive from this particular spot up to the old road, so that you also see that these particular areas, this particular part have been asphalted completely up till the old road of Enugu-Onitsha. I mean of Awka-Onitsha, not Enugu-Onitsha. So that is what we are talking about. It's a very good progress. It's a very commendable one, and there is no need to say that the state government is not working. Anambra State government under Soludo is actually doing wonders in Anambra State. If only you knew this road as of last year rainy season. If you knew this road as of last year rainy season, you would understand the magic that has been done here. Seriously, this road was completely dilapidated, like it was almost unmotorable. I'm telling you, the road was so dilapidated and almost unmotorable. I don't know how to say this, but I really wish if any of you knew how this road was before now, you would understand what I'm talking about. It's a very good thing that the Anambra State government has actually come to the aid of the Nawfia people and also every other person that is using this road, because this is more like a bypass, or should I say an Appian way from the express to the old road. If you are going to Awka, wherever we have hold up along the express that's towards the Umogbu area, you can take this place and then find yourself in the old road and going to wherever you wish to go to. So it's a very good one, and there is no need to doubt or to say that the state government is not working. Anambra State government is working, and is working very, very seriously. And I'm so proud of what it is doing in Anambra State. And we'll keep bringing you guys such updates like this, so that you understand when we say that the Soludo'S administration is actually working in Anambra State. So in case you have any ideas you want to drop over here, in case you have recommendations, in case you have any advice you want to give to the state government, anything at all you have to say, please do that on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. And just in case it's the first time of coming across this channel, yes, this is Blessing Godwin's TV. Please like this video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, just in case you have not subscribed already. We are live in Nawfia town, in Njikoko local government area of Anambra State, and over here is the Awka-Onitsha old road already. In case you have watched up to this point, thank you and God bless you. Bye.